Hi families, welcome back to my beautiful channel. This is your girl Doctors once again. So today we are going to be making African black soap foaming face wash and with some good anti-aging properties in it. So we're going to go over all the ingredients and then with its measurement as well. So in here I have my powder in here, which is a whitening powder, and this powder works, or it is stable at a pH of 7.5 to 8, so we are good to go to use it as a black soap foaming wash. And in here I have my liquid Jamal Plus, which is a preservative, and then here I have my cucumber extract. Here I have my AOS, which is a surfactant, okay, to support the foaming and cleansing property of this face wash actually. And if you don't have this available, you can use any surfactant that you think you are comfortable with or it suits your skin better. Okay, I found this to be not irritating to my skin, that's why I'm using this AOS to support the cleansing and foaming property of this foaming wash. In here I have my Matricel 3000, which has a good properties of an anti-aging. You can read a lot about this. And then here too I have my black soap in a liquid form. Now with this black soap, you can dilute it yourself. Okay, I have a video on it, and you can do this in a large batch and then keep it aside for any of your formulation that you want to use. Okay, so that's the video on the screen, you can check it out. So for my brightening or whitening powder, it is water soluble. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is to add this to my water first so that it can dissolve quickly before we go ahead to add all the other ingredients to the production. Okay, so let's stir this for a while for it to clear up. If you want to replace this with any other whitening powder or brightening powder, you can go ahead, provided that the pH will be stable at the pH will be stable using it together with African black soap. Okay, right. Okay, so I'm gonna add my Jamal Plus. And then my cucumber extracts. Also going to add the Matricel 3000 to it. And I'm gonna add the surfactants to it, AOS 35. Right, so the last thing that I'm gonna add is my liquid black soap. Okay, so we mix this all together. All right, so let's check the pH of this liquid soap and see. It is somewhere around 8, so we are good to go. So here is my foaming bottle, and because you're using this it's a foaming wash, so we don't need a thickener. Okay, and with this you would need a foaming bottle for this to help the whole thing out. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.